Okay, so going to be doing some chart analysis um, over GU and GJ because those are the only pairs that I'm focused on currently. But if there's any other pairs you want me to analyze, just leave them in the description below, or leave them not in the description, leave them in the comments below, and I will do those for you next time. So yeah. So GJ, how I like to do my analysis is top down analysis, which is kind of starting a higher time frame to see where price is currently at and then work my way down. So yeah. So obviously we had some nice bullish run on GU right here. We came up to this level, which is kind of a decent level around this range. You know, this area of possible resistance. And we can see, obviously, right now, markets are closed, but for the daily, this daily is going to close in a nice, kind of bearish pin bar. I don't really know a lot of candlestick names and all that, but so if this is not that type of candlestick, forgive me. But as we can see, obviously, it's closing kind of, it closed like that, obviously. Let's see with the week, obviously, weekly is pretty was bullish. I don't know. Okay, what the hell, is my mouse dying or what? Hold on, sorry for the lag. I don't know what's going on with my mouse over here. It's acting real weird. Come on. Oh, okay, my mouse died. Wow. Oh, forgive me. Hold on. Damn it. Back in the game. Sorry, my mouse died. Okay, anyway. Oh, it's kind of a little too fast. Gotta slow down. Gotta slow it down. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we kind of reached this level of, near this level of resistance. Obviously, price can continue to go further up. But, we're nearing this level of possible resistance. And like I said, it kind of closed on this like a bearish pin bar type. Obviously, we can see this candlestick kind of formed like this over here and was rejected. But obviously, there's, that's not just because this closed like this doesn't mean price is essentially going to drop. But just from my, bias off of all this bullish movement we have on the daily, I'm expecting price to, to retrace. I'm not going to say we're just going to start going majorly bearish from here, but we could possibly retrace in order to gain liquidity to bust through this, possible, this resistance zone, And if that is the case, then I'm, imagining price to come down here. But let's see, let's break it down. 12-hour. So around here, I'm imagining price to possibly come down to this area, before continuing to the upside. That's kind of my thoughts on GU for right now. Obviously, we'll see how price moves this week. Let's see, let's go to GJ. I'm sure GJ is probably similar. Yeah, see, we got this area of possible resistance that it hit and then came down from. So I mean, overall, I'm still kind of bearish. I'm still kind of, bullish on this just because we've been in this bullish channel, creating higher highs, higher lows. And obviously we have yet to break this high right here. We haven't broken this high yet, but we possibly can, if we, retrace and continue higher, but obviously there's no telling. What was this? I don't just use specific was resistance or support lines. I kind of use lines in between prices, because obviously price, you know, it never goes back to one exact price, you know, consistently all the time. So I'm expecting a possible, you know, push down here before continuing up. Possibly we'll see. So yeah, that was kind of it for this. Like I said, kind of simple, kind of easy. Um, but also one thing that I'm going to do that I don't really see many people do who create analysis videos is the links for these. I'm going to save these and I will have the links for them down below. So that way I'm going to save the links for these, so that way, you know, I'll leave them down below in the description. So then that way later in the week you can, you know, click on it if you like, and see, you know, how price has, if and all at all, how price has reacted to, you know, what I've predicted, you know. So but then also I may make a midweek video or updated video to, and then show you all. But yeah, but if not for sure, I will definitely leave the links down below, you know, just for future reference in general overall. And if there's any pairs you want me to do to analyze, you know, I will do them. Just leave them in the description below. So thanks for sharing, and catch you on the next one.